Good morning everyone. This is standard 6 science video number 2. In this video we are going to study about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. So first physical properties of metals and non-metals is malleability. Okay, first what is malleability? Metals are malleable. Okay, what is malleable? They can be beaten into thin sheet. Okay, when you beat the metal, when you beat the iron, when you beat the gold, when you beat the silver, okay, what will happen? They will become into thin sheet. But mercury is the exception. Mercury is the liquid metal. Okay, it cannot be beaten. Liquid cannot be beaten. Now here we see the non-metals are non-malleable. Okay, when you will beat the non-metals, it can easily be breakable. Like plastics, when you beat the plastic, it can be it will be break down. Wood, if you will beat, it will break down. So next one is sonority. Sonority means sound. When you hit the metal, it produces a sound. Okay, but not like iron, okay, zinc, all these things. Non-metals are non-sonorous. They cannot produce sound. Like wood, when you beat the wood, okay, the sound will not going to come. Now the third one is ductility. Ductility means when you we stretch it, it can be drawn into wire. Like when you stretch the iron, okay, beat the iron, it will become into wire. Gold, it can become into long wire. Silver, aluminum, copper. But again I am saying liquid is the exception, because liquid is a mercury is a exception, because mercury is comes under the liquid. Okay, non metals are non ductile, means they cannot be beaten. Okay, if you will beat this, they can break easily. They will not form the wire. Like wood, okay, plastic, rubber. And next one is luster. Luster is the metals which shine. Okay, the metals always shine. Gold, jewelry you wear, that shines. Silver you wear, that shines. Okay, sign. Okay, now non metals are non lustrous. They are dull. You cannot see. It will not shine. Graphite and iodine, okay, is the exception. Graphite found in the pencil lead, okay, it is not shining. Iodine is will not shine. But you can see wood, you can see plastic, they don't shine, they do not luster, they do not have luster. Some examples of metals and non-metals I have given you. Okay, aluminum, copper, lead, tin, zinc, gold, silver, iron, bronze and lithium. Here some examples of non-metals are oxygen, wood, glass, plastic, rubber, polythene, chlorine, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. These are the non-metals. Here some colors of metals has been given. That the gold contains yellowish color, silver contains some white color. Okay, all the colors has been given. Now here comes the properties of a material. Now we are seeing, we use now we will see about the appearance. We use metals like steel, aluminum to make utensils for cooking purpose. But we never use paper for making such utensils, because paper utensils catch fire when placed on the burner of a gas stove. Hence, we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which the object is to be used. Now, we will discuss some important properties of a material. The first one is the hardness. Okay, a materials can be hard, a material can be soft. Okay, you will take a piece of sponge and an iron rod, try to compress both. What do you find? You can easily compress the sponge, but iron rod cannot be compressed. Okay, material that can be compressed are called soft material, that is foam, melted wax, sponge are some are the example of soft materials. But the materials that cannot be compressed are called hard materials. Most metals such as iron, copper, aluminiums are hard, and because of this quality hardness, metals are used to make household utensils and factories things. Okay, factories materials. Okay, factories equipment. Okay, so here some worksheet is given that wood comes in a soft, stone comes in a hard, okay, metal comes in a hard, bricks comes in a hard, wool comes in a soft, cotton comes in uh, a soft, plastic comes in a hard, okay, diamond is very hard, leather is a soft, glass is a hard, ceramic is a hard, ice is hard, fabrics are soft. So we have been classified this hard and soft. Now we come to the appearance. Okay, appearance means how a material look like. A material usually look different from each other. Sand looks very different from wood. Wood appears quite different from plastic. Plastic looks different from aluminium. Aluminium looks different from copper or iron. So aluminium, copper, iron have some common characteristic which are not present in the sand, wood, plastics. Okay, so now we will see the special kind of shine present on the material, means shine which appears when materials are freshly cut. They are called lustrous. In Hindi we call it chamak. Okay, materials like iron, copper, aluminium which have luster or shiny surface are called lustrous material. Materials like example I am giving the gold, copper, okay, silver. Here it is given also gold, shining, copper, silver, and here is the copper which is a lustrous. And non-lustrous materials, the materials like paper, sulfur, red phosphorus, wood, okay, these materials and the cotton also which do not have luster are called non-lustrous materials. Okay, and some metals often lose shine and appears dull because of the action of air and moisture. Thank you very much.